everyone, welcome to today's session. I am your math ma'am. Hope you all safe and healthy at home. Class 3 subject math. This is your new topic in your math third chapter, addition and subtraction. Say along with me, addition and subtraction. In this lesson, we are going to see many topics that we are going to see overview of the lesson. First one, addition. Addition with skip counting using grouping method, using spike abacus method, then word problems. Second one, estimated values for the total or any numbers they are giving means we have to find the estimated value of the number or total. Next topic, third one, subtraction. Subtraction without regrouping method, subtraction using spike abacus, subtraction with regrouping method, subtraction using over word problem. Then fourth one, inverse relationship. Inverse relationship is nothing but we have to mingle the addition and the subtraction, then find the values of the function. Before going to the class, I am going to recall the skip counting method. For tens, how we have to count? 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Like that we have to count the tens counting. Then for hundreds, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500. Like that it's going on. For thousands, 1000, how we have to count? 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Like that we have to count the tens counting. Then for hundreds, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500. Like that it's going on. For thousands, 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 3000, 3000 to 4000, like that it's going on. It's called skip counting of tens, hundreds, thousands. Did you all remember that, children? Hope you all remember all the things. This is your studio book, children. Pause the video here. Take your studio book, page number 51 in your studio book. Chapter 3, addition and subtraction. How we are using addition and subtraction in our daily life, we have to discuss these methods. It will be used in your everyday life, children. Next, PEP activity, activity number 3.1 in your studio book, page number 51, children. Those are all not having studio book, take one note, write in it, then continue the session. Zahir is on a treasure hunt. He finds bags of treasure filled with golden beads. Help him count the total number of beads by skip counting method. Here we have to use the skip counting method. Zahir is finding the treasure hunt bags. First one, 2000, 3000, 1000 and 1000. Here 2000 means there is 2000s. 3000 consists of 3000s. Then 1000 and 1000. We have to use the skip counting method. 2000, then adding with 2000 with 3000 is 3, 4, 5. 5000, then 6000, then 7000. How many golden beads are there? 7000. Then they asked one question. Total number of beads collected by Zahir equal to 7000. Next, page number 52, children. Zahir walked further and found the following bags. Add the number of beads given on each bag by skip counting method. Here also they are telling us using skip counting method. The numbers are 3250, then 1300 and 4230. See here, there is no number is in the form of 1000, 2000, 3000 like that. For skip counting, there is a numbers consist of 1000, 2000, 3000 only. We have to use a skip counting method. For these number, we are taking as it is some difficult in that, because there is not numbers like 1000, 2000 forms. So it is difficult to count these numbers using skip counting method, children. See here, did you find it easy to add the second set of numbers by skip counting method? Did you feel these numbers are easy to count in skip counting method, children? Did you feel easy means write here yes. Did you feel difficult mean write here no. This is up to you, children. Next, it is easier to count objects when they are in groups of thousands, hundreds, tens and ones as shown in the figure 1. See here, they separated as thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now I am going to show you 1000 cube. See, this one top is consist of 100, 100 into 100, this side 100, this side 100. This is represent as 1000 cube. What is this? 1000 cube. Next one, this one is hundreds. One strip is consist of 10 beads. 10 into 10 is 100. This is 100. Then this one is tens. One string consists of 10 beads. It's called tens. Then this one represent as ones. See here, they are separated. This is called ones. Thousands, hundreds, tens, then ones. Instead of skip counting method, we can use it as group of thousands, hundreds and tens and ones method, children. Let us add 2146 and 3241 by grouping thousand, hundreds, tens and ones. Now they taken as 2146 in terms of thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. For this we have to put first place value. This one is call it as ones, tens, hundreds. This one is thousand. In ones place there is a number 6, so they put 6 beads here. Then in tens place there is a number 4, so they put 4 tens. In hundreds place there is only 100, so they put only 100. In thousands place there is a number 2, so they put 2 thousands. As same as for this number also we have to put place value 0, tens, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. For ones only 1, so they put only 1 bead. Then tens place number 4, they put number 4 tens. Then hundreds number 2, so they put 2 10 hundreds, thousand 3, so they put 3000. Then they are adding these numbers according to the place values. In ones, how many beads are there? We have to count and write. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they put number 7. In tens place, we have to count the strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 strings are there. So 8. In thousands, in hundreds, 1, 2, 3. So they put 3. In thousands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they put number 5. So 2146 plus 3241 we get 5387. Like that we have to count the number using grouping of 1000, 100, tens and ones. Next, hands-on activity, activity number 3.2 in page number 53 in your studio book, children. Use the Spike Abacus kit to add the following numbers. Write the answers in the space provided. One has been done for you. 3123 plus 6352. For this, we have to use Spike Abacus, then find the answer. Before going to the sum, we have to represent the number as in the place value. For that, we can use ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. For second number, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Then using the place value correctly, then you use the Spike Abacus to put the correct beads. For the first number, they used yellow color bead. For second number, they used blue color bead. In first number, ones place there is a number 3, so they put 1, 2, 3 beads. In tens place 2, so 1, 2. In hundreds place only 1, so 1. Finally, 1000, 3, 1, 2, 3. For the second number, ones place there is a number 2, so 1, 2. Then tens place number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 100 number 3, 1, 2, 3. Then 1000 number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, count all the places, then get the answer. First, ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, number 5. For tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In tens place, number 7. In hundreds place, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4. In thousands place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9. 3123 plus 6352 gets 9475. Like that, first sum 2354 plus 7541. For this, I am going to put first numbers place value. For that, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Second number, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. For the first number, ones place number 4. So, ones place number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then tens place number 5. In tens place, I am going to put 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then hundreds place number 3. 1, 2, 3. In thousand place 2. 1, 2. Now for the second number I am going to use red color. In ones place number only 1. In tens place number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In hundreds place number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In thousands place number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that we have to count the numbers, then write the answer. In ones place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 5. In tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 9. In hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8. In thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we get 9895. Like that you have to do this. Pause the video here. Do all the sums. See children, you have to get the answer like that. Check the answers properly. Like that you are getting or not. Hopefully you are doing correct only. To add two numbers without a place value kit or spike abacus, we follow these steps. Without place value kit, spike abacus, we can follow these steps and add two numbers, children. Listen the steps carefully, children. Add number 3457 and 6321. Step number 1. Write the numbers one below the other according to their place value. We have to write the number according to the place values. See, first number, first we can use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. After that we can write the number in the correct place. After that first number we can use the first number. Then second number also one below of the numbers. Okay children. Step number 2. Start by adding the digits in the ones place. In any place of addition, any method of addition, we use the adding of two numbers in the ones place only, children. We have to add the numbers in ones place, after that tens place, after that hundreds place, after that thousand place. Step number 3. Proceed adding the digits towards the highest place. Smallest position is ones place, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand. See, 7 plus 1 is getting 8. After that 5 plus 2 we get 7. 4 plus 3 getting 7. 3 plus 6 we are getting 9. Totally 3457 plus 6321 we get 9778. Like that we get the answer, children. Quick tips, children. Observe the following sets of addition. Listen carefully. 2847 plus 10. What is this? 10. First of all, one quick tip. 10 means there is a difference in tens place. 100 means there is a difference in hundredth place. 1000 means there is a difference in thousands place, children. See the question carefully. 2847. See, this is ones place, this is tens place. See the difference in tens place because we are adding 10. Can you understand that? See the next one, 7863. There is a tens place is 6. Here plus 10 gives 7873. There is a difference in tens place. 4902 plus 10. First 0 we are getting 4912. There is a difference in tens place because we are adding 10. In each number, the digit in which place has changed. Which place we are getting changed number? Yes, there is a difference in 10th place. Tick the correct option. Tens, hundreds, thousand. In which place we are getting changed one? Yes, tens place. Next one. Add the following numbers. 2345 plus 100. 100 means we are getting the number changed in, yes, 100th place. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 2345 plus 100 we are getting, this place is getting changed. 3 plus 1 we are getting 4. 2445. There is a change in 100th place. 7460 plus 100 we are getting. This one has been changed. 7,560. Yes, changed in 100th place. 8,649 plus 100. We have changed the number in 100th position. 8,749. See, all the numbers changed in 100th position. The digits in which place did you change? Tick the correct option. Tens, hundreds, thousands. Yes, hundreds. Observe the following sets of addition. Fill in the box with the number that is added. We have to find the number what is added with this number. See the first number 4,750. We are getting the answer 5,750. Which number has been changed? Yes, thousands place is changed. See the thousands place of all the numbers. Yes, thousands place is changed means what number we have to add? Yes, very good. 1,000. 4,750 plus 1,000 we are getting 5,750. 7,841 plus 1,000 we are getting 8,841. 1,548 plus 1,000 we are getting 2,548. The digit in which place has been changed? Yes, thousands place. Did you enjoy this activity, children? Hope you all enjoyed it. To add in tens, hundreds and thousands, we just count forward in tens, hundreds and thousands. If any number is, we are adding to the numbers with terms of tens, hundreds, thousands means nothing but we have to count forward to the number of the terms tens, hundreds or thousands. Next, activity number 3.3 in your studio book, page number 55, children. Add the following set of numbers. This is your home fun activity. See here, 3,457 plus 100 means 100. The change will be in 100th position. Like that you have to do and upload it in Chrysalis app, children. Now we are coming end of the session. In today's session, we are discussed about skip counting without grouping method, normal addition and quick tips for tens, hundreds, thousands adding, children. Bye bye. We will meet in next session, children.